Hi everyone, this is Jessica Ante. I am excited to present my project to you guys. The title of this project is Classify Plants in Your Environment, and it covers a 5th grade science standard. The project also includes many NET student standards. Although the wording in these standards, all of the wording is very important, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to hit on a few main things that are used in the project. Students will use digital media and environments to communicate work and work collaboratively. They will publish with their peers. Students will gather, evaluate, and use the information and report the results. They will also use critical thinking skills to plan and conduct research, manage projects, solve problems, and make informed decisions when using appropriate digital tools and resources. And they will also demonstrate an understanding of technology concepts, systems, and operations. The 5th grade science standard that is covered in this project is to develop a model that illustrates how plants are sorted into groups using data from multiple sources. The prior knowledge students have for this project is they have used Canva to make comic strips. They have used Google Slides to make presentations. They have already learned about animal classification and made charts for animal classification. They have used iMovie and Screencast, but only in one video project this year. Students will use Seek by iNaturalist to identify plants in their environment. So they will take the iPads out into the areas around the school and be able to point and click and receive all sorts of information about the plants or animals that they find. While they are using the Seek application, they will also have a document that is available on their Google Suite where they can take notes. They will be taking notes about the plant description, and then when they identify it, the name of the plant, and then notes about what classification group they think it should belong in. Some technology tools that they will be using for the project is Canva or Google Slides to make their classification chart, and then iMovie or Screencast-O-Matic to create their presentation video. The students are provided with rubrics for all of the products in the project. So this is the rubric for the classification chart. It has requirements about at least how many plants, how many classification groups should be included, but also there are points given for, is the classification chart readable? Did it include pictures that are relevant? This is an example of a classification chart created in Canva. I put just a little thought bubble here to get the students thinking a little further about maybe classification chart groups of vascular and non-vascular. The students also have a video presentation at the end of the project, and there's a rubric provided that requires information, participation, and collaboration, and technology use and quality. For this lesson, unless your students are very well versed in using Canva and Google Slides and iMovie and Screencast-O-Matic, I would definitely recommend teaching a few lessons about those tools. Especially when it comes to the video content, I realized that my students needed some tips on, use your microphone to get better video quality. Watch your video and make sure that there aren't a lot of pauses or that it's clear and understandable. So I think some technology lessons up front would really make this project go much smoother.